how to show your line weights if they are not appearing on AutoCAD. The command you need, or the button you need, is right here. It's called Show Hide Line Weight. You turn it off, you turn it on. Yours is currently set to off, and the button is not displaying right now. You can't see it down here. As you learn what all these different commands are, at the very end, under customization, click on that. Look for what this is called, which is line weight. Right now there's no check mark on it, so it looks like this, and it's missing down here. Reactivate this command by turning it on, and you can control your line weight. Other settings, explore what they are as well while you're here, and learning the interface of AutoCAD. This is the end of the video.